Something changed. Starting the 1800s, we went into the factory model. We started educating children in schools where we had this factory model where there was one teacher and there were like 30 students. At least that is what is happening today. When I was growing up, I know that there were 50 or 60 students in a class, and in villages, maybe that's a different story. But what is the problem statement? What am I trying to address? Here it is. Most K-12 schools use a one-size-fit-all approach, same base, same content, and same kind of a support for every student, leaving many students behind. So the gentleman who was here on the stage, he said, we are concentrating on top 20% and, then we are leaving behind. I agree to that statement, and that's what is on my slide, reducing the overall learning effectiveness. Now, it's not like that schools want to do it or the educators here want to do it. So shortcomings are limited school hours, overburdened teachers, high student and teacher ratio. I think we all agree to that. Do we think there is a solution to it? Think about your student. Limited access to educators, independent learning difficulties, lack of parental support. Now, how many of you think if you have a student doing great, their parents have a role to play in it? Please raise your hands. I know, yeah, that's right. I try to do that. And then you also have expensive private tutoring. So I was just doing some research on ChatGPT yesterday. The average hourly billing for a private tutor in K-12, the average is $25, okay? Is there anything that we can do to help personal learning get cheaper, affordable, make it available anytime, anywhere? I think yes. And my answer to that is an intelligent chatbot that serves as a 24/7 personal tutor.